Hey guys, how you doing? So today's drawing is going to be popping right now. So here it is. It's throw on the prompt list, and now we are getting to the other one, which is I'm just killing this one side the pens. Let's go. So now we got the pens up in here, so we're gonna draw, baby. We're gonna draw. Okay, I'm using a 0.3 and a 0.5 fine liners, baby. These are art pencils. Okay, so let's go. And today's first drawing on the video, it's, how can I say this, a little bit sad, but yet again I'm happy. You know that feeling you get when you are happy but yet again disappointed on yourself. Like if you look at her head and you look at her hand, and like it's not that good, guys. I'm finna do no care, right? Like the hand, I didn't even put in the hand, it's just the arm, and the head looks like a bowl, you know what I'm saying? It looks like a bowl, and but for the human anatomy it's good. It's good. I'm finna do no cap. I like it. I'm so sorry, I'm sick today. I'm a little bit sick. But I'd like to welcome you to Slam Sports, baby. Here we play cricket, we play tennis, we play any kind of sports. That's what you see on the page, baby. Welcome to Slam Sports. So let's keep on drawing. I'm finna do no cap. I like it. But yet again, I'm still disappointed on myself, like, because who plays tennis with a long sleeve shirt? Bro, it's gonna trap the heat in. But never mind. But look at the girl, she's the one who's wearing it, and the guy, he's on shorts and a short-sleeved shirt, but I like it. But the problem about the guy is that if you look at the hand, the right arm is not very well proportional to the body because it's twisted in a wonky way, and I don't like that. But I just did it because I had to wing it and I didn't have enough time. You know what I'm saying? As I said, I'm a little bit sick. So look at the way I also shaded. I'm still learning how to hatch, and I hope that you all can understand, because I'm willing to learn with you guys, because for me to do art, I still don't understand much things, even though sometimes I can do a little bit of realism. Realism is an easy like art style to reach, to do, you know what I'm saying? When you know the face proportions, when you know how to shade, it's easy. But cartoon and drawing from your mind, bruh, I won't lie, it's a lot of work. I'm gonna do no cap, it's a lot of work, because like you have to think for something that's original. You have to think about something that's original to you, to everybody else, something that's coming from you. I'm gonna do no cap. It's hard, okay? It's hard. And for me to do this, because I've been drawing from like referral pictures, Pinterest, Instagram, WhatsApp, from WhatsApp status, from Facebook, from Twitter, all type of things, all type of social media apps. I've been using them to draw, and no, that got me very good at drawing. But to think about the drawing that I would need to make, bruh, it's a lot of work. I'm gonna do no care. If you're gonna make a cartoon in 3 months, bruh, you better hate yourself, because it's a lot of work. So let's hop into the second drawing, baby. Let's go. So I wanna say something about this one, because like you can see it literally, but I'm just gonna say it. You can like it's obviously there in front of you. I don't know if it's because I just did this drawing from my head, I just thought about it, or it's because I had such small space for the face to be drawn into, you know what I'm saying? So just look at the size of the head and look at the shape. Like, I hate myself for doing a drawing like this and just submitting it to YouTube, but because of Inktober, I had to just do it, and I had to just wing it. And you know what, I'm pretty happy of myself, because human anatomy has been kicking me in the ass. And if you look at the way I've put this guy, I'm pretty happy that I done it like this. That I done it like this, because it's very hard. I just thought of the shapes, how the body's gonna be like, and I just winged it. I just winged it. I ain't gonna finna do no cap. I'm finna do no cap. third drawing, baby. Let's go. Here we run drawing, put it back. Run drawing time, put it back. Let's go. Yes sir, this is the third drawing. Okay, so I like it, even though I didn't put much work into it. I like it, but here's what I want you to listen to. You know, the second drawing, the one of the guy who's be chilling like that, like there's a part that's missing. I lost the footage, okay, and that disappointed me. That's the hardest part of being a YouTuber, is losing your footage, and to find the point that you already done something which you want people to see you doing, but you can't because you lost your footage. It's very disappointing. But I want you to look at the thumbnail. There's a fish there. The fish shows there's a pond which this guy is sitting next to, and the way he's sitting shows that he's cold. And this third drawing is disgusting, and I don't know if it's only me, but the slimes from this thing, what's the name of the thing? I forgot it. You can see what they have. Yeah, the snake. The slime from a snake like disgusts me a lot. Even the underneath of a snail where the slime comes from, like, it disgusts me, and those veins on the head disgust me a lot. So I had to put in something that's disgusting, you know. At least it's disgusting for me, but I've seen a lot of people touch them, hold them, do a lot of things to snails, but I don't know if I'm the only one, but I'm disgusted by snails. Yeah, I know what to say more, but these are the drawings that I have for Inktober. The days, I even forget the numbers of the days because I don't have the problem list on me. It's on my phone, and I don't have my phone right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm using another person's phone to record this, so I don't know where my phone is. I gotta find it. Yeah, I gotta find it first. So I feel like this is day 11, and that was day hope was day 10, and then what is it? Throw was day 8. Yeah, so that's how it is, guys. That's how my drawings are. Whew, I got a lot of work to do, so I think I like to say goodbye. See you again on the 12th and the 13th, but I'm not sure about the 13th and the 15th. I feel like the videos gonna be like this. So goodbye. I'm gonna see you next time. Hope you enjoy. I'm gonna put a little bit of music there so you can listen to it. Goodbye and enjoy the time lapse, babies. It is gone. Yeah, gone, baby.